Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss another important topic in the chapter, that is collections of data, means the construction of questionnaire and schedule and their qualities. The set of question is questionnaire and schedule are similar. The only difference lies between the two is the questionnaire, the entire information recorded by the informant themselves, and in the schedule, the other hand, information are supplied by the informant is recorded by the enumerator. So, what is the quality of good questionnaires? The following are the some desired quality of the good questionnaire. First, limited number of questions. The number of questions in a questionnaire should be as limited as possible, and questions should be only relating to the purpose of inquiry. Simplicity, a language of the questions should be a simple, lucid, and clear. The questions should be a shorter, not long or complex. Mathematical question must be avoided. Next, proper order of the question must be placed in the proper order. No undesirable questions means personal question must be avoided. The question should not offend the informant. Non-controversial questions should be such can be answered impartially. No controversial questions should be asked. Questions involving calculation by the respondent must be avoided. Investigator himself should do not do the calculation job. Pre-testing or pilot survey. Some questions asked from the informant on the trial basis. If such answer involves some difficulties, then can be reframed accordingly. Such testing is technical called pilot survey. Instructions. The questionnaire must show the clear instruction of filling in the form. Cross verification. Such question may be asked which help the cross verifications. Next, request for written request made to the response to the written the questionnaire complete in all respect. The informant must assure that the information conveyed by him will be treated as a confidential. Next topic, collection of secondary data. There are two main sources of secondary data, published source and unpublished source. Through the published government publication, Ministry of the Central State Government in India publish the variety of statistics as their routine activities. As these published by the government data are fair, reliable. Some of the notable government publications are Statistical Abstract of India, Annual Survey of Industrial Agriculture, etc. Semi-government publications bodies publish data relating to the education, health, birth, death. These data are also fairly reliable and useful. Next, report of the committee and the commission. Committee and commission appointed by the government also furnish a lot of statistical information in their report. Finance Commission, Monopoly Commissions, Planning Commission are some of the notable commission in India which are supply detailed statistical information in their report. Next, publication of trade associations. Some of the big trade associations through their statistical research division collect the published data on the various aspects of trade activities. For example, Sugar Mill Association publish informations regarding sugar mill in India. Next, publication of research institution. Various university research institutions public information as finding their research activities in India. For example, Indian Statistical Institute, National Council of Applied Economic Research publish a variety of statistical data as regular feature. Journal and paper. Many newspapers such as the Economics Time as well as magazine of Commerce Factor of Fact for You also supply large variety of statistical information. Publication of research scholar. Individual research scholar also sometimes publish their research work containing some useful statistical information. International publications such as UNO, IMF, World Bank, ILO, foreign governments also publish a lot of statistical information. Unpublished source. These are the unpublished source data. These are collected by the government organization and other generally for their self-use or office record. These data are not published. These unpublished numerical information may however be used as a secondary data. Thank you.